Hey guys, what's up? I'm Steph. I'm the secret slob. Today I'm going to share with you the very requested topic of my no-fold laundry routine. That's right, I don't fold my laundry. Laundry is easy up until folding and putting away, because that's when you actually have to do work. Before that point, your laundry machine and your dryer is doing everything. Unless you hang things out to dry outside, in which case, bravo you, that's awesome, and I'm sure your laundry smells amazing. So I used to struggle with laundry too. I had piles in the laundry room, I had piles in my bedroom, there were dirty clothes scattered all over the house, and biggest change I made to my laundry system that simplified everything and made it so much faster was my no fold method. It was entirely thanks to my little sister who said, "Why are you folding clothes that don't get wrinkly anyways?" Yeah, that sounded crazy to me too, but bear with me, it's actually very smart. So why would you spend very valuable time, trust me, I'm low on it myself, folding clothes that do not need to be folded? Leggings, for example, do not need to be kept wrinkle-free because as soon as they go on your legs, they're tight and you wouldn't even see the wrinkles anyways. Same as pajamas, don't really matter. Kids' clothes don't really get wrinkly. Undershirts, socks, underwear, all that stuff. Give yourself the gift of time and stop folding clothes that do not need to be folded. All right, so I'm gonna show you right now how I do my laundry every single day, and you are going to be amazed at how fast it is.
Here is our new and updated laundry room. If you've seen my past videos, you know this place used to be a disaster, so it's feeling really good. It's all done. I have places to hang things, put things, so much better.
Okay, so when you come into my laundry room, I have two baskets. One is towels and sheets and cloths, and then this one is clothes. So I do have the basket in everybody's room, and then that's the only sorting I do is towels and sheets and cloths and clothes. That's it.
I follow the Flylady method, and with that method, you do one load of laundry every single day. This avoids having to do major amounts on the weekend or getting stuck behind 5 piles of laundry. On Mondays, I wash our bed sheets and change them. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, I do clothes. And on Thursdays, I do a load of all the towels. So my laundry's done. It took a little bit longer than this, but I just pull it out and put it in the dryer. As a rule, I only buy clothes that I can wash and dry normally because I don't have time to be hand washing things, taking things to the dry cleaner, but that's just me. I wanted to make my life as simple and easy as possible. So only that one pair of tights I'm going to hang up, and only because they're brand new, and we have these awesome drying racks built right in, and I'll link to them below because they're so great. So once my laundry's done, I usually fold it in the laundry room, but I'll bring it out to my bed the way my mom used to do, just so you can see better instead of me folding against a wall. So I always bring out hangers from my room and my kids' room. I hang up all of my own shirts and sweaters. I hang up their sweaters and dresses, and that's the only things that I hang up. Everything else gets put into a drawer. So all their pajamas go into one drawer, so there's a pile of pajamas there. There is a pile of my pajamas, my gym clothes, and then I just sort their clothes. One thing I do that my sister doesn't do is I turn everything right side out. She says just do it when they go to put it on, but I just turn them out now. So you can see I'm just hanging up their sweaters and sorting everything out into piles. I like to stretch them out, and then when I put them in the drawers, I put them in kind of spread out lengthwise, not balled up. I also don't fold the baby clothes. I forgot to mention because he's brand new. I keep forgetting. And I just separate them into onesies and sleepers and clothes. And I basically just have a drawer for each of those things. During this sorting time, I will make a pile of all of their underwear, my underwear and socks, and their socks. I don't separate anything yet. I just throw them all into a pile, and I do that part at the end. When I go to separate my socks and underwear, I pulled mine out first because you guys don't need to see that, but I just sort the underwears by kid, and then the socks they share, so I just pair them up as best I can, and anything that doesn't have a pair goes in the sock bin, and I deal with it later. Usually when my kids are having a bath, I'll sit there and sort socks, so getting something done, watching my kids, we're all talking, it's a lot of fun.
Okay, so I'm all finished my sorting slash folding, and it took me less than 3 minutes. And so now all I have to do is put it away. So I'm gonna do that right now.
So with my no fold method, putting stuff away is a breeze. I hang up all my shirts and sweaters, and then I put my undershirts and my tights in the drawers. Just throw them in there and I'm done. The important thing to keep in mind is keeping your drawers generally half empty so that stuff doesn't get all crumpled up. This is our pajama drawer. They just go right in there. One item of laundry that I do fold are my towels, and I use the KonMari folding method. I really like this because it lets me stack my towels really easily. I know it's ironic that I use the KonMari method for folding my towels when I don't fold anything else, and her whole system is based around folding everything nicely, but that's okay. This is what works for me. So you can see they stack super nicely in this cupboard, and then I also keep towels in a drawer. And I just love that because then they're all standing upright and you can fit way more towels in a drawer or cupboard when you fold them. So this is one exception I make to my no fold system.
So that is my no fold laundry system. It has saved me so much time and taken all of the pain out of folding and putting away laundry, and more importantly, taken the pain out of watching my children pull their clothes out of their dresser for the 50 millionth time and mess them all up because I felt like all I was doing was folding clothes. I hope you give my no fold laundry method a try. I know it's unconventional, but it might just work for you and you might come to see that you really don't have to fold everything. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this content, or if there's something else you want to see from me, always let me know in the comments. I read them all and I love hearing about your progress. I will talk to you soon. Bye.